What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys saw from the title, we are going to be doing 3 looks using the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. It is the newest addition to the Naked collection. So this was the PR box that it was sent in. Super cool, has the honey dripping down. Very cool. And then this is the actual packaging for the palette, which is also really nice. It has like different colors of gold. It's like very duochrome. So this is the actual packaging to the Naked Honey palette, and it is so gorgeous, you guys. Look how beautiful and reflective this is. This is definitely my favorite packaging thus far of the Naked collection. Like, you know, palettes, this is my favorite. I know I said that about the Naked Cherry, but this is just on a whole nother level, and I'm pretty sure you guys can agree with me. It is just stunning. I love it. And then these are the beautiful shades. I know what you're thinking. Do you need this palette? Absolutely not, because we have a million, you know, eyeshadow palettes that have these eyeshadow colors. But if you're a fan of Urban Decay and a collector, then you definitely do need it. But I will say that this is one of my favorites from the Naked collection, and I will tell you why. Because the mattes, for some odd reason, I mean, I love the mattes in all of the other palettes, don't get me wrong, but in this one, they're just on a different level as well. Like, they are so pigmented and they blend amazingly, but with minimal fallout. That's like, you know, like an amazing combination in one, because you can't usually have the best of both, like super pigmented without it being like a lot of fallout, and a lot of fallout with minimal pigment, you know, something like that. This is just amazing. I love the mattes. The shimmers are absolutely beautiful per usual. My favorite is Honey, which is the name of this whole entire palette. It is like a greeny gold shade. It's absolutely stunning. It's on my lid. It's so beautiful. You guys will see it. It's super pigmented. All of the shimmers are very pigmented. The one I had a little bit of trouble with is this one right here, which is Queen. It's like that greeny gold grungy type of shade, and it just takes a little bit of time to build, but when you do, it is stunning. So yeah, I love the shimmers in this palette. Another favorite is this one right here, which is Amber. And so for me to get the best pigmentation out of the shimmers is with the fingers, clean fingers, you guys remember. But yeah, I really love this palette. And I wanted to show you guys a side-by-side comparison, because there was another honey palette that came out earlier this year, and it was from Colourpop. This is the Honey palette, and this is the palette right here. So you guys can see they're in the same family, but they're very different in my opinion. I feel like these are more like mustardy, very yellow, bright yellow type of shades. So this palette to me seems a lot brighter in tone in comparison to the Naked Honey palette, which I'll hold right next to each other so you guys can see the comparisons. Like I said, they're in like the same family, but very different in undertone. So a little information on the Naked Honey palette. It is $49, which is a little bit cheaper than the other Naked palettes that have released. They're usually in the 50s. So for $49, I don't think that's, you know, too bad. And it's obviously already available on urbandecay.com and Sephora in store. On September 23rd, it will be available on Ulta.com, Macy's.com, Nordstrom.com, and Belk.com. And on September 26th, it will be available in store at Ulta, Macy's, Nordstrom, and Belk. So without further ado, if you guys want to see the 3 looks that I created with the palette, then just keep on watching.
nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
That completes this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Which look was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3, or all of them? Please let me know down below. I would really appreciate it. I always like to know which ones are your favorites. And if you guys like these types of video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will also leave all of my social media links down below so you guys can follow me on there. And I will have the palette directly linked down below as well. And I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.